Rahul is studying in 10th standard. He is making a kite to fly it on a Sunday. Few questions came to his mind while making the kite. Give answers to his questions by looking at the figure. This is a kite figure. Okay. Now questions are: Rahul tied the sticks at what angles to each other? He tied to the sticks this type of two. At what angle? 90 degree. The 90 degree C is the option. Okay. Next, what is the correct similarity criteria applicable for smaller triangles at the upper part of this kite? Suppose this is a kite. These are the two triangles and of the upper side. These are the two. So which one criteria? SAS, because these two sides are equal. Perpendicular bisector and including angle is equal. The SAS criteria. See in figure. Here is these two sides are equal by the property of kite, and this is also equal. And this triangle, this is a isosceles triangle, therefore this angle equal to this. The which criteria? SAS is the appropriate similarity criteria. Question number 3. The sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Corresponding medians of these triangles are in the ratio. The similar triangles, the ratio of the sides is equal to the side ratio of their medians. The 4:9, the ratio in the sides is 4:9, therefore ratio in the medians is 4:9. Now question number 4. In a triangle, if a square is one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. This theorem is called the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Know the Pythagoras theorem? According to the Pythagoras theorem, what? The sum of the squares of two sides equal to the sum of the squares of hypotenuse. This is not the Thales theorem, converse of the, it is a converse of Pythagoras theorem. Next, what is the area of kite formed by two perpendicular sticks of length 6 cm and 8 cm? It means diagonal 1 of 6 cm and diagonal 2 is 8 cm. The formula: area of kite is 1/2 d1 into d2. Therefore 1/2 6 into 8. 6 into 8. 24. 3 8 is 24 centimeter square. This is the area of kite. Okay. Very easy case study.